The following video is part of a playlist which illustrates different tips and tricks for assembling mobile phone spare parts. And this video shows how to test the functionality of LCD screens without obstructing them firmly in the device. If you want to see more tips and tricks, then check out the other two videos from our playlist. Testing spare parts without obstructing them firmly in the device Part 1, Camera, Proximity Sensor Flex and Home button. These 9 tips will avoid you from damages while assembling spare parts. You wonder how you can easily test LCD screens without obstructing them firmly in the device? Then take a look at the example below. Even if the procedure differs slightly from model to model, many of our tips can be generalized and easily implemented. Test 1. iPhone 6 Plus, connecting the LCD screen and testing for functionality. Situation: the iPhone 6 Plus was already opened for replacing the LCD screen. Even before the relevant components, microphone, front camera and others, are transferred from the old LCD screen to the new one, the new LCD screen has to be tested for functionality. To do this, hold on the new LCD screen to the middle cover and connect the LCD flex cables. Then link the battery connector if it was disconnected in the course of the repair. Place the LCD screen loosely on the middle cover and power it on. Test the functionality of the LCD screen. Power off the LCD screen. Release the battery connector with the help of the spudger. Release also the LCD flex cables with the help of the spudger and remove the LCD screen. Now you can continue with the repair. Test 2. Samsung Galaxy S6, connecting the LCD screen, switching it on without installed power button and testing for functionality. Situation: the device was already disassembled for the repair, battery cover removed and LCD screen separated from the middle cover. Before assembling the LCD screen firmly to the middle cover, you have to test it for functionality. To do this, hold on the new LCD screen to the middle cover and link the connector to the mainboard. Lay down the LCD screen and the middle cover side by side on a clean working mat. You can also switch on the LCD screen without having the power button installed, like you can see in the example. To do this, use a suitable tool, for example the flat ending of a tweezer, to switch on the contact of the power button on the mainboard. Test the LCD screen for functionality. Then power off the LCD screen again with the help of the tweezer. Release the LCD connector with the help of the spudger and separate the LCD screen from the middle cover. Now you can continue with the repair. Test 3. HTC One A9, connecting the LCD screen, switching it on without installed power button and testing for functionality. Situation: the device was already disassembled for the repair, LCD screen separated from the middle frame and back cover removed. Before preparing the new LCD screen for assembly and obstructing it firmly, you have to test it for functionality. To do this, hold on the new LCD screen to the middle cover and link the LCD connector. Place the LCD screen loosely on the middle cover and power it on. It is also possible to switch on the LCD screen without installed power button by pushing the power button contact with the finger or alternatively with the help of the spudger or the tweezer. Test the LCD screen for functionality and power off the device again after testing. Lift up the LCD screen carefully from the middle cover and release the LCD connector with a spudger. Then you can separate the LCD screen completely from the middle cover to continue with the repair. Test 4. Sony Xperia Z2. Connecting the LCD screen and several parts loosely to test for functionality. Situation: the device was already disassembled completely and all relevant parts like battery, mainboard, loudspeaker and so on were removed from the LCD screen unit to transfer them to the new LCD screen. Before transferring them, you have to test the new LCD screen for functionality. This is a bit more difficult in this case because you will need to connect several parts, flex battery and mainboard, loosely on the LCD screen unit for testing the LCD screen. Nevertheless, it is possible to test for functionality without obstructing all relevant parts firmly. To do this, you have to connect the flex cable on the mainboard first and then place both parts on the LCD screen unit. Connect the flex cable in the lower area of the LCD screen unit. Link also the battery connector to the mainboard. Lift up the loosely connected parts carefully and switch on the LCD screen by pushing the power button contact with the help of the spudger. Lay down the LCD screen carefully on a clean working mat and test it for functionality. In our case, the test shows that the LCD screen, or the touchscreen, is obviously defective. This shows that it would not have made sense to fix all components without a test already. After testing the new LCD screen successfully, you can assemble it firmly in the device. What you should pay attention to avoid typical mistakes and damages, we show you in another short video from this playlist. Just have a look. These 9 tips will avoid you from damages while assembling spare parts. If you want to know how other parts can be tested without getting stuck, check out the first part of this video. Testing spare parts without obstructing them firmly in the device part 1, camera, proximity sensor flex and home button. You may have noticed that we used another working mat in the first part, light blue, of the video than in the second part, dark blue, checkered. We would appreciate it if you leave us a brief feedback in the comments which working mat you like better and which you think we should use for future videos. Of course, if you liked the video, we are also happy about a thumbs up.